Good morning, all of you. This is Engineer Tarun Kumar. Today is my topic motivation key number 6. Oh, why burning out by finding the right work and life balance. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. And this is quote of Jim Rohn. In my judgment, physical fitness is the basic to all form of excellence and to a strong, confident nation. This is quote of Robert Kennedy. I am sure you have heard this saying: "You cannot pour from an empty cup." This is why you need to learn to take care of yourself, keeping yourself motivated as an inside job. You might do an excellent job creating the right environment and getting the request resource to succeed. But if you are not taking care of yourself, you will not be able to stay motivated for very long. It is hard to keep pushing yourself to do more when your body is already falling apart under the pressure. Achieving success at the expense of your health is not a very wise idea. It is equally unwise to neglect your family and friends in this process. While it is true that sacrifices will need to be made, your health and relationships should not be one of them. In short, it will be much easier to motivate a healthy mind and body. I mean, say that pay carefully attention to these 5 areas that are often neglected in the pursuit of success. The first item, first thing is nutrition. How, when, and what we eat has a huge bearing on how well our bodies will perform under pressure. It is easy to begin to neglect your diet when you are focusing all your time and its mean energy and resources on becoming successful. Purchasing cheap junk food might be convenient now, but you are not looking ahead to the disaster coming your way. A large percentage of illness we face are in fact nutrition disorder that could have been prevented if we paid more attention to our diets. I mean, nutrition foods help our bodies to grow, gives us energy, and helps our bodies to repair themselves. In order for our bodies to functionally, optimally, and not burn out, we will need to consume the recommended amount of each nutrients. But there is no need to become jittery about your diet. Make any rash decision. Here are a few suggestions to make eating well a lot easier. Avoid food that are high in fat, salt, and sugar. Eat more fresh fruits and vegetables and avoid over processed food. Read food labels before you consume the items. Include food from each food group in each of your meals. I mean, drink more water and less carbohydrate beverage. These all things. Do not skip meals. Replace your snacks with healthy options like fresh fruits and nuts. Never try to replace meals with dietary supplements. The other is rest. This is very important. The average human being needs about 7 to 9 hours of rest each day. Getting sufficient sleep is one of the most essential aspects of finding the right work life balance. Unfortunately, with the demand of earning, of a living, caring of your family, and pushing yourself to meet your goal, sacrificing sleep might seems like the yourself to meet your goal. Only logical solution to getting everything done. In fact, some people even reason that sleepless nights are synonymous with success. Once again, sacrifices will need to be made to reach your goal. But sleep should not be one of them. Not getting enough sleep will means that your body will not get enough time to repair and charge itself up. We are basically like that batteries. When we do not get enough sleep, this means that our minds will not be able to work optimally. If we are sleep deprived, a lack of sleep has even been linked to depression. How can you motivate a mind that trained? Get enough rest, your mind will be ready to conceive your success. I means my next is a very important thing is exercise. There are very few people in this world that enjoy exercise. Thankfully, that number is steadily increasing as more and more people are beginning to realize the benefit of doing so. Constantly feeling fatigue and achy in a sign that you may need it or need to get more exercise. One of the main reasons why people dread exercise is they fear it. It might too hard. They assume that they have to start with the difficult things and it will just gradually get worse. That is reality. That is really not how it is works, nor is it what is recommended. If you are new to working out, you will need to start small at first and gradually work your way up to so speak. You may even hurt yourself. Why pushing to do so too much too soon? It is also best to vary your work monotony. Monotony will only make this task a lot harder than it has to be. Find what works for you and engage your mind by mixing up your routine. You would be surprised how much good it